What's happening, everybody? I'm bringing you all another surprise, unexpected open up. Just got this in the mail like a minute ago from USPS, United States Postal Service. See to do this without using a knife. This is a screen protector, car charger. Covered for the phone. Galaxy Note 4. Alright. Before I open this up. Headphones. Phone charger itself. The plug that goes to the USB. The battery. The back. Of course, it's got the AT&T logo on there and its phone's unlocked. Got another deal. Yes, I decided to go for the Galaxy Note 4, even though the Galaxy Note 3 is a very good phone, which I'm recording right now in 4K. So, yeah. I'm gonna go. Okay. Seems like they already just got the screen protector on here, I believe. Pretty good condition. Let's just put the battery in. See how to open this. Yeah, just flip it open. I don't care. You know, I just gotta have to change the SIM card out of this phone and put it in here before I put the battery up in here. Yeah, spend more spare time. So, I hope you all enjoy this unexpected special bought in. Yes, I got the Samsung Galaxy Note 4. Decided to do a little bit of an upgrade and a little bit of a phone collecting that I'm doing. So, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and peace to y'all.